Have you ever wondered what Ayurveda is? It's a word that we've all heard, but few of us truly grasp its profound meaning. Allow me to shed some light. Ayurveda is an ancient healthcare tradition deeply rooted in the rich soils of India, breathing life into the world for at least 5,000 years. An age-old practice that has stood the test of time and remains as relevant today as it was at its inception. The term Ayurveda is derived from the Sanskrit words Ayur, meaning life, and Veda, signifying science or knowledge. It's a holistic approach that intertwines the mind, body, and spirit, offering a unique perspective on health and well-being. It's not just about healing ailments, but about nurturing a balanced and harmonious life. So Ayurveda can be translated as the science of life. The origins of Ayurveda are as captivating as its concepts. This ancient healthcare tradition, often described as the science of life, has its roots deeply embedded in the Vedic period of Indian history. The Vedas, the oldest known texts in the world, are the source of this profound knowledge that has been influencing human lives for thousands of years. The term Ayurveda is derived from two Sanskrit words, Ayu, meaning life, and Veda, meaning knowledge or science. Thus, Ayurveda is essentially the knowledge of life or the science of living. Its principles are universal, yet its practice is deeply personal, tailored to the unique constitution of each individual. But what makes Ayurveda's birth so fascinating is how its wisdom was initially transmitted. You see, in the Vedic times, there were no written texts, no parchment or paper to record this invaluable knowledge. Instead, this science of life was passed down orally from generation to generation, from teacher to student, through a tradition known as Guru Shishya Parampara. This method of oral transmission ensured that the knowledge remained pure and unaltered, guarded closely by those who understood its immense value. It was not until much later that Ayurveda found its way into written form. The ancient sages, or rishis, compiled this oral tradition into the sacred texts of the Vedas, specifically in the Atharva Veda, one of the four primary scriptures. These texts, written in poetic verse, encapsulated the principles of Ayurveda, detailing complex concepts of health, disease, and remedies using nature's own resources. So the birth of Ayurveda is not marked by a particular date or event, but rather a continuous process that evolved over centuries. It's a testament to the wisdom of our ancestors, who, without the aid of modern technology, were able to develop a holistic healthcare system that has stood the test of time. Ayurveda thus has a rich history, rooted in ancient Indian philosophy and culture. It's a heritage that we are privileged to inherit and continue to benefit from even today. Ayurveda is not just about treating illnesses, it's a way of life. A philosophy that breathes life into the adage, prevention is better than cure. Its principles lie in the belief that health and wellness depend on a delicate balance between body, mind, and spirit. It's a holistic approach that sees us not as fundamentally flawed beings in need of fixing, but as perfectly designed entities who need to find harmony within ourselves and with the universe. At the heart of Ayurveda are the three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. These are the energies that govern all physical and mental processes in our bodies. Vata, the energy of movement, is associated with wind and air elements. Pitta, the energy of digestion and metabolism, corresponds to fire and water. And Kapha, the energy of structure and lubrication, links with earth and water elements. Each of us has a unique blend of these three doshas, which shapes our nature, our likes, dislikes, and our susceptibilities to certain health issues. How we eat, sleep, work, and interact with the world affects the balance of these doshas. For instance, a diet high in spicy foods might increase pitta, causing heartburn or anger. A lifestyle change like regular exercise might decrease kapha, reducing feelings of sluggishness or heaviness. Ayurvedic treatments, therefore, focus on restoring this balance. They don't just tackle the symptoms of an ailment. They dig deeper, identifying the root cause, the dosha imbalance that triggered it. Treatments can include diet changes, herbal remedies, meditation, yoga, and even massage therapies. It's a comprehensive plan tailored to each individual's unique dosha composition. Ayurveda empowers us to become active participants in our health, encouraging us to make conscious choices about how we live our lives. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports our well-being, rather than constantly fighting against illness. In essence, Ayurveda seeks to help individuals live long, healthy, and balanced lives. It's an ancient wisdom, but one that still resonates deeply with us today, offering a path to wellness that is as relevant now as it was thousands of years ago. But what does Ayurveda have to do with modern medicine? You may wonder. Well, the influence of Ayurveda on modern medicine is substantial and continues to grow as we delve deeper into understanding its principles and practices. Ayurveda, with its holistic approach to health, views sickness not as an isolated incident, but as a manifestation of the imbalance in our body, mind, and spirit. This perspective, once considered alternative, is now gaining recognition in modern medicine. The concept of psychosomatic disorders, where mental stress can lead to physical ailments, is a prime example of this shift in understanding. Moreover, Ayurveda's emphasis on preventive healthcare resonates with the modern shift towards preventive medicine, focusing on maintaining good health rather than just treating diseases. The age-old Ayurvedic saying, "Prevention is better than cure," seems more relevant today than ever, as we grapple with lifestyle-related diseases. Ayurveda's extensive use of natural herbs is another area where its influence on modern medicine is evident. Many pharmaceutical drugs today are derived from plants that have been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. For instance, the bark of the willow tree used in Ayurveda for pain relief led to the development of aspirin. Turmeric, a staple in Ayurvedic treatments, is now globally recognized for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Yoga, a significant part of Ayurvedic lifestyle, has also permeated modern healthcare. Its benefits for physical health, mental well-being, and stress reduction are now widely acknowledged, leading to its integration in various therapeutic approaches. However, it's crucial to remember that Ayurveda and modern medicine are not opposing forces. Instead, they represent different approaches to health, each with their strengths and limitations. By integrating elements of Ayurveda into modern healthcare, we can create a more comprehensive and holistic approach to health and well-being. In essence, Ayurveda's wisdom can enrich modern medicine, offering a broader perspective on health that goes beyond just treating symptoms. Ayurveda and modern medicine, therefore, can complement each other in providing holistic healthcare. Ayurveda's influence extends beyond the Indian subcontinent. This ancient science of life has found its way into the hearts and homes of people across the globe, and not just within the confines of traditional medicine. Today you can see Ayurveda's influence in a myriad of wellness practices. It has carved out a niche for itself in the world of diet and nutrition, with Ayurvedic principles guiding the choice of food and the manner of eating. From the understanding of the three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, and their influence on our bodies, to the belief in the healing power of certain herbs and spices, Ayurveda's dietary guidelines are being embraced by health enthusiasts worldwide. But Ayurveda's reach is not limited to the dining table. It has also found its way into the realm of physical fitness and mindfulness. Yoga, an ancient practice that originated in the same land as Ayurveda, is often seen as a physical manifestation of Ayurvedic principles. The balance, harmony, and connection with nature that both yoga and Ayurveda advocate for have resonated with millions around the world. Similarly, meditation, another practice that shares its roots with Ayurveda, is gaining popularity. The Ayurvedic perspective on meditation emphasizes the need for balance and harmony between the mind, body, and spirit. This holistic approach to wellness is becoming increasingly appealing in the fast-paced, stress-filled world that we live in today. And it's not just about personal wellness. Ayurveda's emphasis on harmony with nature has also influenced the world's approach to sustainable living and environmental conservation. Its principles of balance and harmony extend to our relationship with the environment, advocating for a lifestyle that respects and protects our natural world. In essence, Ayurveda has become a global phenomenon, shaping the way we think about health, wellness, and our relationship with the world around us. Today, Ayurveda continues to offer a unique and holistic approach to health and wellness. So, Ayurveda is much more than just an ancient Indian healthcare system. It's a holistic way of life that has been guiding people towards balance and health for thousands of years. Born out of the Indian subcontinent, it offers a unique perspective on wellness, placing equal emphasis on the body, mind, and spirit. Its principles, steeped in nature and the elements, encourage us to understand our individual constitutions and adjust our lifestyles accordingly. It's not just about treating illness, but about preventing it through mindful living. Ayurveda's impact on modern medicine is undeniable. Concepts like personalized healthcare, the mind-body connection, and the importance of diet and lifestyle have all been influenced by Ayurveda. Today, its wisdom is recognized and respected globally, offering a counterbalance to our often chaotic, fast-paced lives. Ayurveda, the science of life, continues to guide us towards balanced and healthy living. If you found this intriguing, don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening content.